तो तुम कंफ्यूज नजर आ रहे हो या कुछ परेशान नजर आ रहे हो. आर यू कंफर्टेबल? टेंशन तो कुछ नहीं है ना, कोई प्रेशर तो नहीं है आपके ऊपर. आज हम सभी लोग, पूरा हिंदुस्तान सीबीआई पे विश्वास करता है. वी अप्रिशिएट योर एफर्ट्स. और आपको पूरा प्रदेश देख रहा है, तो काम आप कर रहे हैं, इट्स अ पायस ड्यूटी. और कोई आपको कुछ किसी प्रकार का कुछ क्वेश्चंस हो, कोई कंफ्यूजन हो, तो आप दरखास्त लगा के हम इसको प्रीपोन भी कर सकते हैं. बट हम यही चाहते हैं आप इंक्वायरी पूरी शिद्दत से करें. ऑफिसर पुरोहित, am I right? We also seriously concerned about the future of such students who have done the courses but for no wrong on their part. We do not want breeding of such fraudulent colleges. If you do not have coordination, then you will be responsible for further dealing the matter because it's a serious matter. अगर कोई confusion दिमाग में हो तो पूछ लीजिएगा. फिर बाद में ये ना हो साहब मैं ये समझ नहीं पाया था. जब सीबीआई कर ही रही है इंक्वायरी. द फर्स्ट टेबुलेशन इज डिस्ट्रिक्ट वाइज कॉलेजेस, है ना. तो दे आर हाउ मेनी डिस्ट्रिक्ट दे हैव कॉलेजेस? 47 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स, है ना. एंड इन 47 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स दे हैव टोटल हाउ मेनी कॉलेजेस? 3 just a minute. 364. And Mr. Kherkar, probably you earlier referred that there were 700 colleges.
Yes, madam. But including the GNM and GNM colleges. GNM has nothing to do with the college, university. The college who has run the GNM course only. After including them, it should be more.
Acha. So today we are concerned with this 364 colleges, है ना. Now 364 are spread over in 47 districts. And you have analyzed in page para 3. Para 3, na? Each college. Now para 3 deals with name of the nursing institute inspected by CBI. Page 3, na? And these are number 11 colleges.
Sir, these are the common colleges. In their list of 364 and the number of colleges which we have inspected. These are the common colleges.
Acha, only 11 are common colleges. Out of 24 which you have inspected. 25. So 11 are which are appearing in that list. Now what is number 4? Now number 4 deals with the same colleges which you have mentioned in page 3.
And we have counted over the definition.
And in this, so this was only a specimen. This was only a specimen. Now it comes down to this. The total number of nursing colleges in 47 districts are 364.
Out of which 11 have already been inspected.
You have so far inspected in all 24 colleges. 25. Out of 25, 11 colleges are such which are finding their places in this list of 364. Now, 11 colleges which you have inspected, you have found deficiencies in around 8 colleges.
Out of these 11,
Out of 11.
नहीं सर, एक सेकंड.
Six. So out of 11, 6 are such colleges where you have found deficiencies not as per the norms. And 5 colleges fulfilled all the requirements?
there were no major deficiencies.
Not, okay. So, Mr. Modi, this is the position as regards sample verification. You will get a copy. We can give them a copy. So, out of 11 colleges, 6 were found to be deficient. Only 5 colleges may be said to have a minor deficiencies, according to you, Mr. Officer. Purohit, am I right? 6 lacking in many standards, 5 in some deficiencies. So more than 50% out of 11 only. We do not know what would happen in relation to other colleges also. This is with reference to the colleges which claim to have been given retrospective affiliation. And we do not know whether those colleges in 2021-22, the students of that year only? 2021. Now inspection has been done when?
In February and April.
February to April 2023. Even up to 23, the deficiencies are evident. Now such colleges have been given, are amongst those colleges which have been given affiliation by the Medical Science University for the purposes of opening the link to provide enrollment numbers to the students of 21-22. Now imagine a situation. This may be termed as tip of the iceberg. You are talking of 364 colleges. Out of 24, 11 are common, which CBI has inspected. And out of 11, 6 are found to be lacking in many requirements under the rules. And you want this court to give you permission to allow those students also to apply for enrollment and appear in the examination of 21-22. Will it be possible for us? Situation is very grave. And today if we do this, I am telling you in times to come, this is going to have a catastrophic consequences in the entire state. It's a serious matter now. It has been serious since beginning, and that is why we had to arrest that order. See, the problem is that for what reasons I do not know. Why government has taken a decision to provide retrospective affiliations, whether legally entitled or not, that's a different issue. To allow all those students who are claiming to be the students of some given college without even verification of the fact whether those colleges are conforming to the requirements of rules or not, and whether those students have actually taken the course and completed the course. You said 20,000 students. I fail to understand how could there be 20,000 students in 364 colleges. Which students are these persons? Numbering 20,000 in 364 colleges. If you divide 20,000 by 364, how much it comes to? Just divide 20,000 by 364. 20,000 divided by 364. It comes to one college 312 students. Now 312 students in each college. 20,000 divided by
364.
it comes to
54.9.
54, 55.
55.
55 students in each college. हाँ. See, now that is why I am asking you this question. We do not know. We have just have done the rough homework. Now you do one thing. First you prepare list. This is now one list we have district wise. Let there be a list of government institutes. Now, then you prepare a list against whom there was nothing in 2021. You have not done any inquiry, and they have been running for years together. Let us have that list also, so that we may ascertain the veracity of your statements with reference to these colleges, and ensure that these colleges are also given some time for inspection, and because they are the government colleges or the colleges which have been running the nursing colleges. Be fair on that. You pick up a college. Let us have a standard for last say 10 years.
25 exclude कर देते हैं ना, 25 और 11 exclude हो जाएगा, बच्चे गवर्नमेंट वाले increase आता है।
नहीं दूसरी बात कर रहा है, इनसे दो लिस्ट बनवा रहे हैं, एक गवर्नमेंट की लिस्ट, एक ऐसे कॉलेजेस की लिस्ट जिसमें ये नर्सिंग कोर्स पिछले 10 साल से कर रहे हैं, उनको एक अच्छा
लेटेस्ट नो।
हाँ, prepare list for last how many years. हाँ, then prepare out of that such colleges were for last 10 years and such colleges were last 5 years, and then colleges less than 5 years.
4 कैटेगरी हो गई, गवर्नमेंट लैंड, अरे गवर्नमेंट
मतलब आप चारों का एक चार्ट बना लीजिए अलग अलग. गवर्नमेंट less than 5 years. Then we'll take up each list and we'll request Mr. Purohit to, I am getting a list prepared out for all these 364 colleges. Government colleges, number 2, colleges which are running for last 10 years, number 3, colleges running for last more than 5 years, and number 4, colleges running for last less than 5 years. Because we are talking of 21, 22, we are 20, 23. Let this bracket come in minimum, it should be more than that, right? And then let's have this, and then you can do, for instance, government colleges. You can go and inspect the record. You will not be required to do an extensive investigation, because that's the government colleges. Likewise, such colleges where students have been studying for last 10 years and there has never been any inquiry or any complaint for such college, because there may be some reputed colleges. So why they should suffer? They should be, we can give indulgence for such students who have been doing it from the college which is reputed and which has never, such colleges which have never been subjected to any sort of inquiry or found to be deficient in any manner, right? 10 years का प्रेशर करते थे ज़्यादा अच्छा हो जाएगा फिर एक 4 to 5 years 10 to 5 years कर and likewise for you prepare it for less than more than 5 years and less than 5 years. So we may think of random sampling of government colleges more than 10 years and more than 5 years first, then less than 5 years would be more crucial, more vulnerable. So for these 3 categories we may think of random sampling, random inspection, right? Now the remaining colleges out of 25 are 14. Out of 25, if you minus 11 colleges, so it comes to 14 colleges. Now, which are these 14 colleges which you have inspected and surprisingly are not mentioned in the list of 364?
So they appear to be new colleges.
They were not found fit for granting application.
So they are out.
700 वाले
So now,
They have also derecognized.
then Mr. Purohit, now your work would be slightly minimized because now they will give you these 4 lists. So first you do this year faster regarding government colleges.
गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज की अभी दे देता हूँ.
आप दे दीजिए इनको.
यहाँ पे भी सर शॉर्टकमिंग है गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज प्रिंसिपल ही नहीं रेगुलर प्रिंसिपल नहीं है आधे
नहीं देखो मिस्टर शर्मा जी एक बात आप ध्यान रखो. We are in public interest litigation. We have to strike a balance
यस
because we also seriously concerned about the future of such students
जी
who have done the courses but for no wrong on their part they have been denied to appear in the examination for last 2 years. This aspect cannot be ignored. So persons, our only concern is only such students who have done the course sincerely and completed the training should be permitted to appear in the examination. That is our endeavor. But fraud people should be brought to books and dealt with sternly, whether it's a students or a group of students or a college or a group of colleges. We do not want breeding of such fraudulent colleges with impersonated persons taking the examinations for the benefit of a third person. That would really pollute the atmosphere in the state and shall seriously jeopardize the health of the general public. That is the silver line of the entire matter. That is our main concern. That's why we are doing this exercise. And Mr. Rohit, if possible, you increase your team so that early as possible we may clear those colleges who may be allowed to get the enrollment numbers for their students. But it has to be verified. We cannot just do like that. But you do the sampling work in government colleges and find that particularly faculties, staff, number of students, fee deposits, and training centers. These are the few things among others which may be required under the rules. But as you said, there are some minor deficiencies which may be ignored also. But these are the crucial things. There may be something more also. So you are supposed to conduct this inquiry on that aspect also, with special emphasis on these 4. So, जो है पढ़े थे नहीं पढ़े अब तो देखते पड़ेगा. Let them be exposed. Let them be exposed. They should revamp it. करना तो चाहिए ना इनको. आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जजेस को ऑर्डर लेके बैठे हुए हैं. वो कुछ नहीं, ना वहाँ कुछ करते हो ना यहाँ कुछ करते हो. कितने लोग रिटायर हो गए प्रमोशन ना होने से. तो हमारे इंटरवेंशन से कुछ डिपार्टमेंट वो सब बताएगा, वो सब बताएगा.
क्या बात किया
मतलब 10 और 5 में से अलग कर दिए.
25 साल. हाँ, ये जो आपके गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस हैं ये कब से हैं? नहीं नहीं, आप स्टूडेंट्स का तो देख रहे हैं. आप कॉलेज कब इस्टेब्लिश हुए हैं ये भी पता करिए. ये दिन आपके भाई आप नर्सिंग काउंसिल है ना, तो नर्सिंग काउंसिल इज सपोज टू हैव द रिकॉर्ड. तो आप जो भी आप लिस्ट
अगर ओल्ड
देंगे
इस्टेब्लिशमेंट है तो ये आपके फेवर में है ना, इसलिए आप उसको बता दें.
maybe attachment is only for training purposes. So establishment of college is independent. Huh? So this date of establishment of college is also necessary. That will be a dividing factor. Government colleges 10 years, less than 5 years, more than 5 years, less than 5 years. Huh? Less than 5 years and more than 5 years, and 10 years or more. So, if some institutions are running for last more than 10 years, they may be put in different class. Now the ball is in the court of nursing, university and the government. You all need to have coordination. If you do not have coordination, then you will be responsible for further dealing the matter. You all have to sit together and work it out impartially and honestly, so that CBI's work burden is lightened. Then we will consider every other things. अब late तो होएगा because it's a serious matter. Now you have seen the sampling. Out of 24, 11 are found common, and out of 11, 6 are found lacking in major lacking criteria. Imagine situation. Yes, please.
They have given a list of 25 government colleges. So all of them are to be required or randomly some of them?
You first do some random, which is, are you being provided with some assistance by the government or not?
Sir, we are taking expert from NRC and INC, and also our officers,
No, Mr. Modi, why should you not provide them some facility in terms of logistics, in terms of some human resources? No, because if they have proper conveyance, if they have proper staff which may assist them at a given point with the intervention of the responsible officers, their work would be easier. Mr. Rohit, you may, I will pass the order that you, every collector of every district where you are visiting shall ensure that you are provided with the conveyance, the accommodation, food and local staff to help facilitate inspection, so that he may do it in a faster manner. ठीक है? Shall I write it? That is why without asking you, I have already asked Mr. Khedkar to prepare a list. You must have heard me. So let that list be first prepared. I am sure your name would find in those lists. All lists have to be verified. And then we will consider. And Mr. Purohit, one thing more you do, especially when you verify the students 21-22 का, तो उसका जब आप इंस्पेक्शन करेंगे तो उसमें आप 3-4 चीज़ें देखिएगा. एक तो पहला तो आप ये देखेंगे कि इन्होंने फी डिपॉजिट्स कब कब करी है. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि इन्होंने एक साथ सभी बच्चों की फीस एक दिन जमा करवा दी हो. भाई सेमेस्टर सिस्टम होता है ना, तो फी डिपॉजिट पीरियोडिकल होना चाहिए इन नॉर्मल कोर्स. दूसरा ये देखिएगा कि इन्होंने जो अटेंडेंस रजिस्टर्स रखे हैं बच्चों के, उसकी कंसिस्टेंसी को चेक करेंगे आप. और फिर इनका रिकॉर्ड आप उस अस्पताल से वेरीफाई करेंगे जहां इन्होंने ट्रेनिंग करी है. और ट्रेनिंग मॉड्यूल क्या था? ट्रेनिंग मॉड्यूल क्या था? भाई एक होता नहीं है कि भाई इतने बच्चे इस सेशन में ट्रेनिंग करेंगे, ट्रेनिंग मॉड्यूल ये है, इस पीरियड होता है और उसमें पूरा होगा, एक सिस्टम होता होगा पूरा, कि चार्ट होता होगा कैसे ट्रेनिंग होनी है. तो वो अस्पताल से आप वेरीफाई करेंगे कि आपकी क्या ट्रेनिंग मॉड्यूल है और कितने बैचेस में कितने स्टूडेंट्स थे आपके पास में फॉर द पीरियड 21-22. करने दीजिए आप.
2021.
इंटरवेनर में लगाया.
हाँ,
2020.
आई एम सॉरी B21. I get confused.
इसकी कॉपी इनको दिलवा दें क्या?
I am bad on facts. तो 2021 अपना एम्फेसिस यही है, क्योंकि इनके जितने बच्चे ही बता रहे हैं ये 20-21 का बता रहे हैं. तो अपने को फोकस करना है 20-21 पे. उसके बाद भी काम खत्म नहीं होगा आपका, लेकिन अभी तो हमें पहले 20-21 की देखनी है कितने बच्चे जेन्युइन है. तो ये जो अपनी चीज़ें बताई हैं आपको कॉलेज से और हॉस्पिटल से 20-21 के रेफरेंस में बताई है. अगर कोई कन्फ्यूजन दिमाग में हो तो पूछ लीजिएगा, फिर बाद में ये ना हो साहब मैं ये समझ नहीं पाया था. आप पूछ लो, अभी पूछ लो, ये टाइम नहीं, सबका है, ये तो कॉमन है. इट इज कॉमन टू ऑल कॉलेजेस वेदर गवर्नमेंट अदरवाइज. देखिए हमने पहले 4 लिस्ट बनवा दी. गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज मोर देन 10 years, मोर देन 5 years एंड लेस देन 5 years. ठीक है. अब इसमें आपको स्टूडेंट्स 20-21 के बारे में इंक्वायरी करना है कि 20-21 की स्थिति में क्या पोजीशन थी. अब वहाँ पे आज की तारीख में कुछ इम्प्रूव कर लिया हो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में दीगर बात है. अगर इम्प्रूवमेंट है तो कब का इम्प्रूवमेंट है, या एग्जिस्टेंस तब क्या था, 20-21 की क्या पोजीशन थी. उसमें आप अगर कर सकते हो तो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का भी देख लो, प्लस स्टूडेंट्स का जो हमने बताया है आपको, ये इम्पोर्टेंट है. भाई आपको तो 1 साल 2 साल का 1 साल का है. हाँ, तो ये परीक्षा जो हो रही है 20-21 की है, तो 20-21 का जो फर्स्ट ईयर है वो तो उसी का देख लो. हाँ हाँ बता।
The university has granted affiliation to the some of the college against which faculty duplicacy के भी आरोप थे।
आप हम अभी
एक चीज
हाँ
एक रिक्वायरमेंट बस एक चीज।
आप एक काम करिए, तो आप और कुछ पूछना है आपको मेरे से? Be frank and clear. I don't mix my words and I don't want you to have any confusion. अब मिस्टर शर्मा, जो लिस्ट ये प्रोवाइड करेंगे ये आपको भी मिलेगी। आपको जो भी उसमें कहना है वो आप कमेंट्स लिख करके मिस्टर राजू शर्मा को दे दीजिए। दैट विल बी काउंटर चेक्ड बाय हिम। जब सीबीआई कर ही रही है इंक्वायरी, आप लिख के राजू शर्मा जी को दे दीजिए जो कहना है आपको, बट वही चीज़ कहना जो ऑथेंटिक हो। मतलब किसी कहने से कोई मत कहना,
कोई ऐसा वेग,
हाँ कोई वेग या मतलब कॉम्प्लिकेट नहीं करना उसको।
प्रोसीडिंग में आया सर उनकी
जो भी है आप लिख के देना इनको, ये उसको वेरीफाई करेंगे।
ठीक।
उसमें जो चीजें होंगी वो देखा जाएगा। कोई तुम कंफ्यूज नजर आ रहे हो या कुछ परेशान नजर आ रहे हो? आर यू कंफर्टेबल है? टेंशन तो कुछ नहीं है ना, कोई प्रेशर तो नहीं है आपके ऊपर?
परसों पूरी रात जग के भी मैं तैयार किया।
अच्छा किया ना, इनका काम है। आज हम सभी लोग, पूरा हिंदुस्तान सीबीआई पे विश्वास करता है।
यहाँ से जाते में किया, परसों पूरी रात किया, आज सुबह 5 बजे ट्रेन में बैठ गए आने के लिए, इसलिए थोड़ा
नहीं, अच्छी बात है। वी अप्रिशिएट योर एफर्ट्स। और आपको पूरा प्रदेश देख रहा है। आप कितना एक जो काम आप कर रहे हैं, इट्स अ पायस ड्यूटी जो स्टेट की पब्लिक के लिए बहुत अहम है। इसलिए हमने आपको इंटरेस्ट किया है। और कोई आपको कुछ किसी प्रकार का कुछ क्वेश्चंस हो, कोई कंफ्यूजन हो, तो आप दरखास्त लगा के हम इसको प्रीपोन भी कर सकते हैं, कोई इशू नहीं है उसमें। बट हम यही चाहते हैं आप इंक्वायरी पूरी शिद्दत से करें। हाँ तो कर तो दिया है।
लिस्ट में नाम लिया
भाई का नाम रखो ना, लेट रजिस्ट्रेटेड टू रिफ्लेक्ट द नेम ऑफ श्री राजू शर्मा। अब दोनों लिंक कर दी ना हमने, अब तो आएगा अगर शर्मा एज काउंसिल फॉर द सीबीआई इन WP2438 क्या है वो कर देना उसमें।
एक सर वो आईए फाइल कर दिए मैंने, कंप्लाइंस टू दी एनडीए होगा, एमपीएनआरसी को पार्टी बनाना।
हाँ वो आइए अलाउ कर दीजिए इनकी।
आईए नंबर 3301
वो WP नया वाला जो WP है ना जेके शर्मा वाली, एंड क्यूरेटर टेक्स नोटिस एंड प्रेस फॉर टाइम टू फाइल रिप्लाई। नहीं ये रिकॉर्ड में नहीं लिया है हमने, इसको सील कर दीजिए और रिकॉर्ड में रख दीजिए उसको। वी विल मीट ऑन 12th, लिस्ट ऑन 12th।